Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Education, Society and Curriculum. It's a DL ETT first year book. It's of Government of Himachal Pradesh. It's a Hindi medium book, as you can check. It's a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. So let's check out this book as it has per the new syllabus pattern. So let's check this out and review it. First of all, syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1, philosophical understanding of education. You can check. Unit 2, sociological basis of education and other topics. Unit 3, education for peace, human rights, child rights, other topics. Unit 4, knowledge and curriculum, other topics. You can check them out. So now contents are also given. We can check the contents and verify with the syllabus whether everything which was there in syllabus is there in contents also or not. So let's check out Unit 1, philosophical understanding of education. First of all, education, meaning, concept, nature, aims and scope and so on. Meaning, concept, nature and all, with subtopic it's given. In front pages are also mentioned in front of it, and every topic is mentioned in both English and Hindi language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers to understand it. Other topics are also given. Rossio, John Dewey, informal, formal, non-formal, then Maria Montessori and Mahatma Gandhi and all. You can check out with this syllabus. And human nature, society, learning in Unit 1. Education, meaning, concept, nature, aims, and then all these topics like Rossio, Dewey, Gandhiji, Krishnamurti, understanding the basic concept of human society, nature, learning and aims are also given. So Unit 1 is completely right. It matches the syllabus. Yes, contents match the syllabus. Let's check about Unit 2. In Unit 2, education and psychology, meaning, education, psychology and all, so on. Nature of psychology, nature of sociology, then Indian social system, structure, stratification, mobility, and then importance of national integration and so on are given. So many topics are there. You can check them out. Let's check out with verify with syllabus, like Unit 2, education and sociology, Indian social system, national integration, and then social change, meaning, factors, everything is completely there which was there in contents. So it does match the syllabus. We have to check Unit 3, education for peace, human rights, child rights, and so many topics are given. With subtopics, importance of human rights, child rights, labor, RTA 2009, child rights with reference to child labor act, disabilities and right to education. It's completely there. Now let's check, verify with the syllabus. You can see praise education, meaning, objectives are there. Meaning, objective, importance of rights 2009 is there, and child labor, disability act is completely there. So let's check out the last topic now and verify it. Everything is completely there. Children's construction of knowledge, attaining knowledge through activity, body of knowledge, and then so many topics, concept of belief, information, knowledge, understanding, different kinds of knowledge and so on are there. Last topic is criteria of construction of curriculum with special reference to NCF 2005. Let's check out with the syllabus. So you can see children construction of knowledge, attaining knowledge, Unit 4. Then last topic, possession and construction of curriculum section with special reference to NCI 2005. Then concepts of belief, different kinds of knowledge, body of knowledge, everything is there. So yes, the syllabus do verify with the contents, and everything which was there in syllabus match the contents. Now we have to check the page numbers, whether the page numbers are rightly mentioned or not. For example, if you go into page 122, will I find ways of education or not? Let me check the page numbers, are they rightly mentioned? So ways of education, page 122 is completely there. Let's check one more and the last one again. Then we'll go ahead, like in Unit 4, 198, process and criteria for curriculum till 208. Let's check whether it's there or not on page 198. You can check on page number 198, process and criteria of curriculum section is completely there. It's there till the page 208. So yes, this book is a very good book. Everything is very well covered, neatly covered, and everything is well explained. Go to any page number, contents, and go and page number and check the contents. Very well explained and both very well highlighted in both English and Hindi to make it understandable for any kind of reader. In the last page of book, another books of ETT first year Himachal Pradesh are mentioned with guest papers. You can check them. So price of the book is just rupees 199.50 rupees only. It's available on both Flipkart and Amazon online, and you can also call them directly at 9218 and book will be delivered to you in just 3-4 days time. Or you can buy this book offline also at any bookstore nearby you of ETT books. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. Go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications, or go to the website at www.vinodpublications.com to check out another important and good books of Vinod Publications. And if you have any complaint regarding the books or any book, you can go to their helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So I think 199.50 is a very reasonable price for this book. Buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them, or buy it offline from any available bookstore nearby location. It's your choice. I think you should definitely buy this book. 199.50 is a very good price. So I highly recommend this book of Education Society and Curriculum of Vinod Publications. Must buy this book. Highly recommendable. Thank you so much.